Good afternoon, I'm gonna show you how to light hanger in Modo for curtain because I found the way it is possible. As you see, I light this shape. First of all, I was creating new spline. I just need to draw. I did that in frontal view. I just will save just in case. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go to Mesh tab. I'm adding new operator. Mesh operator. You have to add a new operator if you want to draw separate curve. Otherwise curve will be connected to another object. We will be going to curve palette. In curve palette we will be choosing the best B-spline. This is the best for drawing spline shapes. I just draw custom shape. It doesn't have to be hanger, wooden hanger. I don't know how do they call this. I'm not sure if I've spoken English word properly. Lathe, something like revolve sweep. It will rotate around the axis. Lathe is in 3ds Max. It's not just finished yet, because we have to add another operator, which is to do with curve. Curve revealed. We can change how many vertices it will have. After when we did that, by pressing the control button, we will select this and this, and we have to freeze. It will, oh no. It should really delete operation. Modo sometimes does not work as expected. Let me to check something, because it should work. Maybe I should select this last. I cannot find out why this does not respond. I need to center selection first. Oh no, come on Modo. It was working before. Why don't you want to work now? I think I must select everything, including geometry, because it was working before. Yes, now it works. Sorry guys, I had to just select operator to be deleted. Freeze command will freeze our previous operation. It is very tricky program to learn. It is very hard sometimes to do just basic things. You see, my curve shape is perfect, ready to be laid. I'm not sure if I say in proper English word late. 3ds Max late. I just show you what I meant. This is what I meant. It is possible to late advanced shape in Modo, but Modo has different philosophy when it comes to work. Okay, duplicate radial sweep. We have to choose different axes and select this and move. Still too many vertices. We have to change. Here is okay, but well, our subdivision object is still okay. If I change to form, my shape will be more regular. Okay. No, I did not. I done something wrong. I need to. I think I will sweep this shape again Edges are intersecting. Is that okay? I think I need to assign material to this. Or I can... Oh yes, invert polygons. Sorry guys, I forgotten to check this option. Invert polygons. Ah, my fault. Doesn't matter. It works anyway. I think I need to check something. Where my Modo annoys me sometimes. Maybe my mouse doesn't work as expected. Okay, this is my selected shape. Freeze mesh operations. I just was freezing this, and this is my shape. Sorry for making mistakes, I just missed this option. Modo is still capable to like advanced shapes. I hope you like this video. See you. If you have got questions, just ask me. I haven't done rigging yet. I will be doing rigging maybe later on, because Modo I'm using for not long time. I think I was using 2 years ago, but I was focusing on Blender and a different program, but I believe this program is capable to be used for modeling any shape. But as I said, just do as I showed you. Check also these options on the left side when you like this advanced shape. Okay, see you.